Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to block all adult sites with a single setting in 2025. This method is simple, free, and doesn't require any third-party software. Once we apply the setting, all adult content will be blocked across your entire PC, making it a great solution for parents or anyone looking for a safer browsing experience. Before we begin, let's first check our current internet speed to ensure that the settings we apply do not slow down our connection. Open any web browser of your choice and go to fast.com. This website will automatically start measuring your internet speed. Right now, my internet speed is around 5 megabits per second. Remember this number, as we will check it again later to confirm that our settings haven't affected performance. Now, let's move on to the main process. In the same web browser, open a new tab and search for OpenDNS. Press Enter and click on the first website that appears, which is opendns.com. Once the website loads, scroll down until you find a section labeled Customer. Under this section, look at the bottom left side of the page. You will see a button that says Learn More. Click on it. Now, you'll be redirected to another page with more details about OpenDNS services. Scroll down again and you'll find an option called OpenDNS Family Shield. This is the feature that helps in blocking adult content automatically. Right below that, you'll find a button labeled Setup Guide. Click on it. Now, a new page opens and here you'll see 2 DNS addresses. These addresses are the key to blocking adult sites on your PC. We will now use these addresses to configure our network settings and apply the filter across the entire system. To do this, first, click on the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Now, in the search bar, type View Network Connections and press Enter. A new window will open, displaying all the network connections available on your PC. If you are using an Ethernet cable for your internet connection, double-click on the Ethernet option. If you are using Wi-Fi, double-click on the Wi-Fi option instead. Now, a new settings window will appear. At the bottom of this window, click on Properties. A list of network-related options will be displayed. From this list, find Internet Protocol version 4 and double-click on it. Now, you will see 2 sections. One for IP settings and another for DNS settings. By default, your DNS settings might be set to automatic. We need to change this, so click on the option that says Use the following DNS server addresses. Now, you'll see 2 empty boxes where we need to enter the DNS addresses we got from the OpenDNS website. Go back to the website, copy the first DNS address, and paste it into the first box. Then, copy the second DNS address and paste it into the second box. Once you have entered both addresses correctly, click on OK to save the changes. Now, your PC is using OpenDNS Family Shield, which means all adult content is automatically blocked. To test if it's working, try searching for any adult website. You will see that access is completely blocked, and the page will not load. Now, let's check if these settings have affected our internet speed. Go back to fast.com and refresh the page. After testing, my speed is now 4.8 megabits per second, which is almost the same as before. This confirms that blocking adult sites using this method does not slow down your internet connection. And that's how you do it. With just a few simple steps, you can block all adult sites across your entire system without installing any extra software. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.